Guys, today we're going to be replacing the taillight in my wife's 2017 Kia Sedona. I'm going to show you how it's done. Here we go. Right here. Basically, you just, you can see there's a little groove to put a screwdriver in. I'm going to use a putty knife. Works pretty much the same way. Just kind of slide this in. Just kind of pop it. You know, like so. You can hear it kind of snap out. Do the same thing on the top. Okay. Once you get all sides pried, it kind of slides right out. Pretty easy. That right there. Then you got two screws, one up top, one down below. Unscrew that, and then this whole mechanism, it's in there kind of tight, but it slides forward. I'll show you that in a second. Okay, so the key to removing this is to just wiggle it, but pull out. Do not go left and right. Just kind of wiggle it this way, up and down a little bit, and it should come right out. Just kind of wiggle it up and down, pulls right out. Okay. This is the tail light bulb that's burnt. Just twist it. You can see it's burnt. You can see the difference in the bulbs. This one's burnt, so just pop that one out. Pop that one in. Slide this one back in. Really simple. Make sure you got it lined up. It's kind of like a gasket kind of thing. There we go. Just gonna line it up, twist it. Make sure this is kind of lined up. Just push it right in. Should be good. One. Very simple. Two. Okay, it's in there nice and tight. Now we put this cover back on. Just push it in. So it snaps in. You're good. Okay, the wife's gonna step on the brake light. Let's see if it works. Ta-da! And it works. See if the top light, no, top light works too. Okay, one more time, honey. Boom, it works. Okay, job well done. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you found this to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to click on the bell notification because I'll be, of course, uploading any additional surprises I have with my wife's 2017 Kia Sedona, and I will pass on that information to you. Hopefully you'll find that to be helpful as well. So again, hit the thumbs up, hit the bell notification, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you again for watching the video. Have a great day.